In the next few weeks, or perhaps longer, on this channel you're going to see videos of a recent new job I've acquired. The RV life, well, we're not in an RV anymore. It kind of went down the drains. I've been working here for about a year, working with and manufacturing rebar with a company that I'm sorry I cannot mention. After you've seen a few of these videos that are going to be coming up, you'll see why I don't want to mention the name of the company. So enjoy the next few weeks of these memorable videos that we capture from random times. But to give you a basic backdrop, we're three brothers in Christ. We go to the same church. And we all work in a rebar shop for a company that honestly is a great company. We have great bosses. And we want to share those very comical and memorable moments that we have. So, thanks for tuning in for the next few weeks as I present to you things I'm a bit nervous about getting out.